A few months ago, we purchased the abandoned property next door to ours, and it included a boat. So the boat is finally ours. We had to go through DNR to claim it and to get the legal title because it was abandoned, and so that took some time. And now we're going to clean it. It's a mess, and see if we can eventually get this thing to float. There's Bob aboard his yacht. Oh my god, I'm afraid I'm gonna get bitten. Okay. Well, I don't have any long socks. Just needs a little tidying up. Yeah. This is truly a before and after. Ankles.
From the front of the boat.
Some women get yachts.
Enjoy your wine on this boat.
I will. Well, get there. Because I was going to get that vine.
I was thinking of getting the hand shovel for your garden.
Yeah. God, I just upset my ankles. They really hurt.
They burn for a while. Soon the poison will go further up your body.
I know. Well, I don't actually think it's very good for me, quite frankly. I get like malaria. I cleaned all of under here, which was really gross. So that's done. Does look better. Well, it couldn't have looked worse, quite frankly. There we are. Day one. Miss Madeline from next door paid a visit, and we went through the house together. I'm going to keep that little box. It's cute.
Oh, yes.
It's very cute.
Yes, it is very cute.
I like that.
Oh, I do too.
So in here, watch your feet, Maddie. Okay, this piece here, I'm keeping.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm going to
It's beautiful.
I think it's going to look amazing when it's done.
is.
So that one's keep.
Are you going to do that or Malcolm?
I'm doing it.
No kidding.
And this one I wanted down here.
And
And
yeah,
then
that has
Malcolm said, well, it's just going to throw the cabinet away.
this one.
Yeah. Then the scrap metal, everything's going. I'm keeping the sink.
Look at that sink. He's going to have to take a shovel to get that
I know.
crap
It's
out.
really gross, but I think it can be salvaged. This is Malcolm's,
What?
this table. He's going to
It got
refinish it.
almost like it. Well, he's going to sell it.
Yeah, he really wanted it. Too. Through here, I'm taking this little table,
Yes, that's a cute little table.
the little duck things,
The
the little duck
thing.
lamp. I think that's cute, the little duck lamp.
Oh, yeah.
And then the china cabinet. I'm gonna keep. And then Malcolm is
See, I was
taking.
telling you gotta pull all that stuff out.
I know. So there's nothing in this room
No.
at all. That room is just awful.
It is.
This room, I'm gonna keep the little armoire. Oh, I'm also taking this little dresser. Because if you're gonna.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, the drawer can be fixed. It's in there, so we can fix the drawer.
How about this?
This is 1927. Look,
Wow. Who was it?
somebody's
United
diploma.
States.